Hi, so today we're going to speak about doing a vision board. You just need something like this or a blank canvas. These are proven facts from myself that I've put into place and manifested things that I wanted, like my dream car, working with the biggest on the high street, fashion buying in Paris. So I just want to show you a few little things that I did and get you going with your vision board for 2024 so you can manifest your dream car, house, whatever it may be. Let's get to it. As you can see, I did my first vision board in 2018 and manifested these things. So a vision board is getting pictures from like Pinterest, Google Images, Instagram, wherever you take inspiration from. Get the images from your mind onto paper and then just stick it onto a board like this. Just stick all your images like that picture. So, manifesting and vision boards are not just sticking images on, you do have to do the work as well. A lot of people think, oh, you just stick images on and just think about it every day and then it comes. That's not really the reality. You have to put the work into it, self-development. If it's good health you're manifesting, do your research, self-help books and stuff like that. So let's get to it. So in 2018, my dream car was a Range Rover, and on my vision board I had the Range Rover. And every day I visualised having it. I went and test drove a Range Rover, the same colour that I wanted, the white one. Every time I drove to the back doors into Topshop taking my branding, as I was reversing, I'd see like the reverse camera. Sounds cringe, yeah, I know, but it works. And one day I went and got my car, and my vision become a reality. So ask, believe, receive. So every day I was visualising my car, obviously working towards it. You know, I wasn't getting on till like 1 o'clock in the morning, like really working hard. That's what I mean. You can't just like stick a picture and expect it. You do have to do the work. And the car come, and then I had to like sit in the car because I told nobody. You shouldn't really tell people what's on your vision board because people's mindsets are different. Could be like quite negative. So keep it to yourself and work towards your goals, in my opinion. And I sat in my car and was like, oh my God, I've like got my dream car. Also, you can put like what figure you want. In 7 days, I wanted to earn £10,000. I put the figure on, obviously on the board. And I was working towards it, and I remember one of my staff said to me, we've hit £10,000 in this store. And I was like, yeah, whatever. And it just didn't click, and then I sat down and was like, oh my God, this actually works. Like, I've done £10,000 in 7 days. So what I'm saying to you is, whatever you believe and you want and you can have, put it on your board, but really every day work towards your goals and your vision. From that, off my vision board, so I got the £10,000 in 7 days, I got the Range Rover. And then my dream was to do fashion, all my buying in Paris. I got my flight over. I was like, wow, like, look at this video. So we're on the top floor now. Oops. It's from one end all the way to the other. All the way to Auntie Margaret eating sweets. Down, can't even see all the way down. Another 3 floors. Hang on. Oh, there we go. I don't know what before. I think you get the gist. It's really far. Oh, massive now. I'm just eating the sweets, bad for filling. Like I did it. I was buying, bringing stuff back, getting stuff imported back in a big like lorry would turn up, and my dad was getting all the stuff off in Gary and bringing it back to Liverpool, and then we were sending it to Essex. It's so good. And then my goal was to work with Topshop. I was speaking to like the buyers and they was like, don't think your brand's ready. It takes 7 no's before somebody gives you a yes. So you've got to keep like consistent. That's what I mean. I couldn't just like visualize, oh, I really want to work with that brand. Like I had to keep going back, putting in the work, changing designs. You've just got to keep going. Then I got into Manchester Arndale, Trafford Centre, Liverpool and Essex. And that is just where like things was just like, whew, have a look at the stuff. And then as you're progressing and your vision's becoming a reality from your vision board, you can keep adding things. I've always wanted to make clothes, become a fashion designer. I had a team of people and it just wasn't working. It wasn't going as fast as I needed it to be, and I felt really stuck that I couldn't do it. But I also didn't have the GCSEs to get into uni. I was like, what am I gonna do? I'd paid for private courses, sewing courses. There were like 80 people, 40 people in a room with one teacher who was making like a skirt that took 8 weeks. I was like, this is just too slow for me. I need it now. Long story short, on the vision board, I had a cap and gown, and I was like, I don't know where I'm gonna do it, but I'm gonna get a degree. I went to, it's UCLan that you apply for, seeing different things that I needed to do to get in, and like, you can do like the test or redo your maths and English. Went to the university, had to have a meeting with a board of people, and I was just like, oh, there was between me and this girl and she had a big portfolio. I was like, yeah, I can't draw, what the hell. I gave them some pictures of what I've achieved through my business, and they was like, oh, that's good. You know, told them really what I wanted to do. Come away was in my mind like, I'm gonna get this degree, I'm gonna get the degree. They wrote me a letter and said, sorry, we can't accept you in at this time, but you can come for a foundation year. So I was like, oh, what does this mean? It's gonna like delay me. Anyway, I got my foot in the door and I was like, nah, I ain't doing this foundation year, not a chance. Like, it was learning policing, loads of like reading and writing. I'm dyslexic, like this is just like a no for me. I wanna make clothes, I wanna be a fashion designer. So I called a meeting again, big panel of people. I said, listen, I need to be making clothes. Like, I have so much passion. Please just let me in that classroom. No one's going to write with me. They might be better than me. I'll be there. I'll be the last one leaving. Another meeting. I got it. Long story short, I graduated. And this is me. As one vision board finishes and another one come, my next vision before the university, it was like, get my degree. We come on holiday to Bali and decided I wanted to live here. I was like, how am I going to make this possible? Whole new vision board of the villa, Gary, the dog, my elf, everything. And we made that a reality. Like, if I can do it, you can do it, but you've got to do the hard work. You can't just sit at home and like, look at the board and, oh, I really want this to happen. Like, you really have to do the work. Like, get up, read the books, watch the videos, you know, work as hard as you can to make it happen. And it's scientifically proven that it works, but it's just down to you to make it. Going back to 2019 when we come on holiday, I was visualising walking around. I had to spend like a day by myself, walking around Bali thinking, can I live here? Can I feel what it'd feel like to walk around and live here? Like the smell, the shops, sitting in a coffee shop having a coffee, and I was trying to visualise myself like, what would my life be if I lived here? Then when we moved here and it became a reality, when we walked past the little like bakery, look at this video. In 2019, we sat outside this little cake shop. Sorry, I've got my helmet in my hand. This cake shop in Seminyak. we sat there and spoke about moving to Bali. Now we're in 2023. When your dreams become a reality and you get a little reminder. Ooh, just nearly fell over a post, so I suggest I go. So yeah, I just want to tell you that sometimes you have your little dreams, have your goals, and it happens, and now we've just realised our dream become a reality. Ooh, absolutely. And I'm going to get run over, so I need to go. Bye. So that just shows like that when I walked past that bakery, I was like, oh yeah, like I was visualising this and that time happened. So here's what you need to do. Nice, peace, calm room, light your candle, nice cup of tea, nice drink of orange, peaceful, calming music, and really sit with yourself and your thoughts. Nothing's too big and nothing's too much. Whatever it is you want, take it from your mind, get the images from Google or wherever, get it on your board and work every day. I'd say do it 12 months. Some people do 12 months, 2 years, 5 years. I think 12 months is enough to focus on. And never forget, like, gratitude every day. Be grateful that the fact that you're waking up, you've got your eyes, that you can walk downstairs, that you can take yourself for a walk. It doesn't always have to be about money, or, you know, it could be something to do with your kids or whatever it is that means something to you. Like, you can do it. Just do the vision board, get the images and put it on. One more tip. I had in uni, it didn't go, you're going to have bumps like this along your little vision board manifestation journey. My health wasn't very good. I had 2 operations during uni, which means I was falling behind big time. I failed twice the reading and writing because it were already difficult, and I was in and out of a hospital having operations. The doctors give me some painkillers. That was just a really heavy painkiller called pregabalin, if anyone's ever heard of them. I was falling into walls. I was just like, I just felt really drugged and like, well, not with it. And I thought, I can't, like, this, well, medication and pharmacy and all these tablets, I just can't deal with it. So I did my own research, and in the middle of my vision board, I always have a big heart, which means healthy, because without your health, you've got nothing. So I did my own research, found acupuncture, turmeric, these other little like health capsules, lost weight, did everything I can to make myself, to think to myself, I am not going back. Like, I can't keep taking these like drugs from the doctor. Like, they're making me really ill. They were making me worse. And I did. Like, the acupuncture, losing weight, eating healthy. Touch wood, I haven't had an operation since. So when I'm saying to you, manifest that health, it's down to you to research whatever is wrong with you, research into it and find an alternative method, like stop with the doctor and things. Like, they can guide you, but if the medicine's not working and you're still not getting well, just make lifestyle changes. Like, it's that simple. Don't come at me with that one. Like, in my personal opinion, it worked for me, and trust me, I was sick. Like, I was really ill, and I had nerve damage in my stomach from the operations that I've had. So yeah, anyway, I'm ready to do my new vision board, which obviously I've just said to you, keep to yourself, so I won't show you what's on mine, but this will be filled today with new goals, new year, new goals. Woohoo! You get yours. We're in January. Let's do it. Get your health, what you want your wealth to be, business, relationship goals, personal goals. Get them all on there from your head onto Google. Print them off. You can use magazines, papers, anything you want. Some people like to write words, like, you know, like words, and then line it off, different things and goals. Let's do it, let's get to it. It's proven. I've done it. I've had my car. I've got my villa in Bali. All my goals was achieved. I went to Vegas. I had my dream holiday. You can do it. Hard work, do it. Like, comment, subscribe, and let me know below if you've done a vision board before, what goals you've achieved, and if you've set your new vision board vision board, mood board, people call it different things, and just let me know, and let's keep in touch and see what we manifest this year. I wish you all the best of luck, all the health, wealth and happiness for you and your family. Thank you for watching. Bye.